Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we're giving away a brand new free Divi Layout Pack straight from our design team to you. This week we have for you a much needed, exciting event layout pack we think you're going to enjoy. This new event layout pack is buzzing with all the exciting design elements an event site really needs. You can use this layout to promote special events, collect RSVPs, showcase elegant lists of events or schedules, and so much more. It even has a dedicated pricing page for event registrations and a schedule page, which is a very useful addition. So go ahead and check it out today. Now go ahead and join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new event layout pack on your own website. So before you can access pre-made layouts like this event layout pack on your Divi website from the Divi Builder, you must first authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi, Theme Options, and then click the Updates tab. There you can enter your username and API key, and then click Save Changes, and you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. Once that's done, you're ready to start creating all of your new pages, and then adding all of those corresponding pre-made layouts to each of those pages. To start, go over to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title, and then click to use the Divi Builder. Then select the option Choose a Pre-made Layout. From the Load from Library pop-up, scroll and find the new Event Layout Pack and select it. You'll see the layout details with a preview of all of the different layouts included in the pack on the right. Go ahead and find the one that you want, select it, and then click Use this layout. And once the layout has been loaded to the page, you can go ahead and edit the layout however you want using the Divi Builder here. And don't forget to save your draft or publish your page. And then you'll want to continue this same process to create all of your pages, and then adding those corresponding pre-made layouts to each one of those pages. And once all your pages have been created, you're ready for the next step, which is to add a primary menu to your website. You can do that by going to Appearance, Menus. Give your menu a name and then click Create Menu. Over on the left, you'll see all of the pages that you've created. Go ahead and select all of them and then add them to your menu. Use the menu structure area to organize your menu items however you like. And then don't forget to set the display location to primary menu and then click Save Menu. And lastly, you'll want to set a static home page for your website. You can do that by going to Settings, Reading. Under your home page displays, select a static page. And then for the home page, select the home page with the corresponding event home page layout, and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new event layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We sure do hope that you love the new event layout pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can receive a notification every time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye.